In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team template library in Canva. By the end, you'll know how to set up a shared space where your team can quickly find, reuse, and stay on brand with templates you've designed. First, make sure you're using Canva for Teams, or Canva Pro, with team features turned on. The Team Template Library is a feature designed for collaborative plans, so you'll need that access before you can publish templates to a shared location. If you're not sure which plan you're on, check your account settings so you're set up to collaborate from the start. Next, design the template you want everyone to reuse. Open Canva and create a new design in the format you need, like a social post, a presentation, or a flyer. Build it with your brand's colors, fonts, and layout, and add any graphics, headers, and footers you want to keep consistent across the team. A helpful best practice is to lock key brand elements, like logos, headers, or background shapes, so they can't be moved by accident. Leave text boxes and image frames unlocked where you want teammates to personalize content. When it looks right, give your design a clear, descriptive name so it's easy to recognize later. When your design is ready, publish it as a team template. In the editor, click Share at the top right. Instead of sending the design, look for the option to publish as template, or choose the Save to Team Templates option, which may be under the three-dot menu. Select Team Templates, or your designated team area, as the destination. This converts your design into a reusable template that shows up for everyone on your team. After saving, you should see it appear in the Canva sidebar under your brand, then Team Templates. If it doesn't appear immediately, give it a moment and refresh. Keep your library tidy so people can find what they need fast. Organize templates into folders by type, like social posts or presentations, and use clear, consistent names such as Instagram promo template or quarterly review deck. Continue locking crucial brand features to protect consistency across all versions. Finally, make sure your teammates have access. Go to Account, then Settings, then People, and add the colleagues who should use your templates. Once they're part of your Canva team, they'll automatically see the templates in the Team Templates library. Remind them to click Use this template when they're ready to create, so the original stays intact. That's it. Your shared on-brand template library is ready to go.